Welcome to the Catholic Couch this Advent. This year, we're doing something incredibly meaningful together. We're walking through the Jesse tree, from creation all the way to the Nativity, and we're looking at every story through a completely different lens, the lens of attachment. Because when you trace Scripture from beginning to end, you can see something breathtaking and beautiful. God is always drawing close, always forming connection, always moving towards his people with presence, protection, and love. This series is called God's Attachment Story, and each day I'll take one Jesse tree symbol and show you how that story reveals something about God's heart and something about your own. We'll talk about belonging, safety, trust, hope, and emotional honesty, and how these ancient stories heal the very real wounds that we carry today. And to make this a true family journey, I've created a free 56-page Jesse Tree family handout for you. Inside of it, you will find daily scripture reflections, simple attachment-based family practices, a private journaling section for Catholic women, and 25 printable ornaments that you can color, decorate, or hang as they are. You can print them, string them, create a whole Advent corner in your home, put them on your tree, whatever helps your family feel rooted and connected this season. The link to download the handout is right below this video, and it's completely free, our gift to you. So here's how this series works. Each day, I'll release a short Jesse Tree reflection that helps you slow down, breathe, and reconnect with God who draws near. You can watch one each morning alone or gather your family in the evening, however Advent fits into your life this year. My hope is simple, that this series helps you feel more grounded, more held, and more aware of the quiet ways God is forming your heart the same way he formed his people across the centuries. I'm glad you're here. Let's begin this journey together.